Took you a while, didn't it? And I guarantee you he's a hoss. Look at that pole being. Y'all both got him on. Look at you. Look at this one here. I ought to have a net on that. You got him?
Yeah, maybe. We'll try.
Look at this. Look.
He can eat mine.
Look at this one here.
Man, throw that thing back.
Hey, show the camera that and there, Dale.
I don't know if I can lift it, Greg. It's so big.
I need your picture. I do. I got to put him on Facebook. Son.
That thing.
I told you it's a big crappie in here. Hold him up there a little bit closer, not to the camera, but necessary, but to you.
All right, another big one.
That's a big one too. Look at his pole.
It is.
I guarantee he's big.
I can guarantee it too.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Pretty good size.
Yeah, buddy.
Pretty good size. Hoo-yah!
Yeah.
He'll keep.
Got somebody's line too.
Yeah. You got. Y'all just lift it real easy, like, and we're gonna get more tangled up in there. About damn time. Almost trolling for him with it.
Yeah.
Good fish. Yeah. He's all right. I mean, he ain't no giant, but he'll hold cornbread. Oh. We'll cut off. Go back down and recount. You had that fish on. He's got that fish on. Don't let it have him slide. Maybe we'll go to biting again. I'm telling you, these fish are here. Whoa.
He ate it too, boy.
I ain't got a picture of you. I'm gonna get one picture of him. You might catch one bigger than that, but one or two at a time is worth it. He'll keep. He ain't big, but he'll be all right.
He's got attitude.
He act like he. He's wearing us out. Hey, that wind's starting to move out. Damn, there he is again. Dang, he's on him now. I told y'all they're here. He might not be as big, but I bet he's a keeper. Oh, yeah. You better put you on another minnow on or spit or turn around or do something.
All right, Dale. Way to go. Pretty
Yeah.
good, huh? All right, good one.
Keep on that railing. Got it? Good job. He's a keeper. Big. Stay on top of him. Got him?
Yeah.
We moved. Come on, baby.
I'm feeling very impressive,
I'm gonna try to get you back around up there. You got him. Lift him up there. I think that's a good one. Whoa! Don't hit that piling. Oh, there it goes. God dang. He's wearing us out. Here comes the fish.